My name is TJ Mizell. I go by Dasmatic. I was born and raised in Queens, New York. I moved out to Virginia when I was about 12, and I'm back here in the city now. I'm going to teach you guys how to use the DJ Control Air Plus. So when I'm performing, there's a series of things that I like to do before I start actually messing with my music. And the first thing I want to do is I want to set cue points. This is going to allow me to start from the beginning of the songs or any part of the song that I'd like to start from. So I'm going to start my song by pressing play.
Yeah! 3, 2, 1.
And that first kick right there is going to be the 1. And when DJ's talking about dropping on the 1, they're talking about dropping on that very first kick, which is the very first sound that you're getting. So I find that 1 with my baby scratch. I get that nice kick sound, kick drum. I'm going to line up my line right here, which is that white line on your software screen. And I'm going to make sure that my sample button is off. That way I can actually assign cue points. And I'm going to assign that first kick with number 1. So when I let go of my record or my jaw control here, I can press 1, and I'm going right back to the very beginning of the song every time. This is actually how you would start mixing a song if you were going to use the cue points here. What I can also do is I can set my second cue point to the snare. So I'll start from 1. So now I have 2 cue points going on in my song. Now I can actually set a loop. So what I want to do is I want to start from the beginning of my song. I want to make sure that I'm in bank 2 because that's going to be my loop setting. And I'm going to start the loop with 1. So I'm going to press these 2 buttons at the same time to start from the beginning. 3, 4. So now what I can do is I can actually shorten my loop with 3. So 3 shortens your loops and 4 is going to elongate your loops. So here I'm going to start with 3. I'm going to make sure it's on time. I can even shorten again. One more time. Again. I can actually go back into bank 1 and kind of break my sample or my effective level. I can use my air control as well. Come back out to bank 2 and elongate my sample or my loop again. So now I'm back into the loop that I originally started with. Another awesome feature on the DJ Control Air Plus is the magic. I can actually make magic with these things. So what I want to do is while I'm actually inside of my loop, I want to make sure that I press my magic button here. Make sure that my sample button is on. And I'm going to stop the song so you can kind of see how this works. And now I actually have that sample chopped up into 4 segments here in a 4 count. So